Hi guys, happy Monday. Please forgive my demeanor. My heart is extremely heavy today. I I just wanted to actually come, and usually when I do a live I'll make a notice or put a post out that I'm gonna go live, but today my heart is so heavy for so many right now that are going through so much, and I just wanted to just personally come on and give a few words of encouragement. I want to just, to those that this, what I'm about to say connects and resonate with you, then you know that this message was directly sent for you. For those who feel that this has nothing to do with them, then just take this message and just take what you need out of it and throw the rest away. You know how I always say that. But I want to tell my sisters to take a deep breath. Be patient. Be patient and relax. For those that are believers, you know God makes no mistakes. And although you may not understand it right now, and you may be in a position right now where things are so hectic, so tight, and you feel like you have nothing left to give, I'm asking you, continue to keep your faith and your trust in God. Don't give up. Right now, it is so hard because it's getting ready to be so good. Keep pressing, keep pressing, keep pressing. Do not give up. Hold on. There is a reason for every season. And just as how many other adversities have come our way, we have managed to come out of them victoriously. It will be the same. It will be the same, whatever it is. If it's financial that's holding you right now, God is going to release you from that, and He is going to give you abundant blessings. Just hold on. I know if this message is not for you, as I said, take what you need out of it and throw it away. But my heart is so heavy because I have so many sisters that I have been talking to, not only as a friend, as a life coach. I'm just so filled with sincere hurt for all of my sisters, and I just want them to know that I carry you every single day in my prayers. If you want me to give you a specific prayer, send me an inbox and I'll do it. My spirit told me to get on here and just leave this message. Don't give up. Keep your faith in God, and everything will be just fine. I love you guys. Have a good night.